smuggled tool. Fascinating. Works on echo trickery.
There you are. Oh, hello. I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special care of magical creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa! Hagrid asked you to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended screws. We took over the old village, shall we? That looked promising. Oh, and I've got some Cornish pixies for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Ah. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Jiminy! Oh, that's just marvelous, Arthur.
Not bad. I think we're ready.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering to the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's give that purple button a try.
Careful, Hagrid. Your dragonfire is for emergencies only. Oh, no. No, kid!
Let's get them back to their cage. Come on.
My one!
Salamanders, they feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though. Ow! Put me down! Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. That dragonfire could not have been smoother. Well, apart from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me.
Aquaminty! Oh, fine. No. We'll be there in a minute. Better try and start out these pixies.
Righty now.
Oh, now don't you worry about this. I'll see you all down there.
Of course, none of this will happen when you're actually riding the bikes. Meet us down in the stables. Might be safer to duplicate the bikes down there, more room. Then, you can ride them. That's better.
Don't mind the Thestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the screws before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
There's no need for that. There's enough for today. We should probably head back. We'll pick this up later.
Chip, don't worry. We're powering. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was
close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Reddy's lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild.